Hey, my sweet beloveds. I thought I would share with you one of my favorite things to make because I was just so fucking stoked to find fresh aloe plant. Usually I can get that obviously wherever I'm at in the world, and here I have not found that yet. My travel plans got sidetracked, so I have a week. I just got to this place, beautiful place up in the mountains. I mean, the fucking fall. I can show you guys. Oh my gosh, if you can see like the fall colors when I drive up the canyon, I'll show you. Just got up the altar. So the altar is gritting in this amazing space. And because I was so stoked, this is one of my favorite drinks to make daily and to drink daily. Just so good for, you know, timelessness, so good for illumination, so good for your skin, so good for your body, so good for cleansing your system. I usually, obviously, in third world countries have fresh coconut water or fresh coconuts, but here, obviously, just get coconut. I travel with all sorts of fun stuff, turmeric being one of them, but if you can get fresh turmeric and just cut up in tiny little chunks and fresh coconut water, even better. But all you do is take coconut water, I filled this up with coconut water, then you scrape out, I scraped out this aloe, see this beautiful aloe here, scrape this out, added that in, and then added in as much turmeric as basically you can handle, and blend it up. And this orangish, beautiful drink here is a gorgeous illumination drink filled with the best for your body and your system. Then you can use this, see this goo? This gooiness, you just rub it all over your skin. I usually will cut up chunks like that, cut it into little pieces and put it in the fridge and then just grab it or keep it in my bathroom and just rub that all over my face, all over my entire body. So now I'm gonna go strip down and get all gooped up with this. Enjoy.